Okay, I'm ready. How y'all doing today?
How you doing?
All right, how about yourself?
All right, all right. I really appreciate y'all coming out today on All-N-1 Technologies. I know we came out here to sit with, talk with you guys about enhancing our business today. I got a few handouts I want to give you guys.
Okay.
All right. Just a few things. Just a few things about what we do. All right, All-N-1 Technologies. That's the name of our company. We're a startup company. We're a small business trying to assist other small businesses out here, be their IT support. Okay. All right. Our mission statement: All-N-1 Technologies helps make the technology and All-N-1 Technologies helps make technology an asset for your business, not a problem. Thriving to meet the needs of today's small to medium-sized businesses and providing them with the first-class information technology outsourcing support. We assist them in accomplishing their goals of reaching higher customer expectations, which gives them the freedom to customize IT integration and support. Our current services, okay? We offer support. Like I said, we're an IT outsourcing company. We provide network design, network security, network management, data recovery, data backup, disaster recovery, virus protection and prevention, VPN, remote access, and email exchange support. We install wireless and wired networks, security cameras, firewalls, computer. We also support computers and repair computers, and we also offer web hosting and web design. Okay, the market summary. With the growing number of small businesses in Metro Atlanta, there is a need for IT outsourcing. Some consider this as a golden age of small businesses. With large companies failing due to the recession, this is the best time to start up a small business. With technology and the internet, small businesses now have access to more resources, such as having their own website to push their own products and gain access through Facebook, as an example. All right, market summary continue. A poll done by smallbusinesstrends.com states that if a company suddenly receives an extra $10,000, what would they do with it? I'm gonna ask you guys, if you all had a business, what would you do with the extra $10,000? I'm gonna ask you, what would you do with it?
Save it.
You would save it?
$10,000, I might save it.
So if you had a business, would you want to save it just for, you don't want to use it for, enhancements, or what would you want to save it?
I may save a little and I may use the rest for maybe marketing.
Okay, what would you do with it?
Yeah, invest back into the company.
Okay. All right, what would you do with it, sir?
I would most definitely invest back into the company.
Okay. All right. You too, sir. What would you do with it?
I would keep it.
You keep it.
Honest.
Okay. All right, young lady, what would you do if you had $10,000 in a small business? What would you do with the money?
I would use it to build my business better. To build my business.
Okay. All right. Well, the poll states that the first thing they would do will be pretty much pay for more marketing. Okay. The second thing they would do is hire a consultant to help their business grow, and that's where we come in. Okay. This is where All-N-1 Technologies come in to assist and grow the small business market with our services. Okay, business concepts. The concept, like I said, is information technology outsourcing to small businesses. The opportunities that we provide, it will be provide a service that will grow the small business market and the economy, increase revenue, and also increase customer satisfaction. Okay, the startup cost. We had $10,000. What we plan on doing with the money to start up our business is purchase additional computers and servers, software, cables, network equipment such as routers and switches. We also will get a storage facility to house all that. We get a used truck, to drive around and go back and forth to client sites. pay for advertisement, like such as yellow pages, and also promotional materials such as business cards and brochures. And also hire some additional labor such as an admin assistant or hire qualified contractors. Okay? Benefits for you guys, the lenders. Okay, the main thing is, like I said, we're assisting a company that we're starting a company that will assist small to medium-sized businesses with outsourcing their IT department. Okay, and this allows companies to focus on their business and their customers. So this eliminates the hassle of going out, paying somebody, to come out and support their network. We'll come in, do that for a cheaper price and a reasonable price, and that's one thing they can eliminate from their business. They can just focus on, if you have a tire shop, tree service business, you can focus on your business, your core business customers. Okay. All right. So I really appreciate it, you guys. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Got any questions about anything? Or?
I have a question. Do you think $10,000 is going to be enough for all the equipment?
Well, like I said, this is just a starting point. I think it will be enough because we just want to have, like, for instance, like if we go out to somebody's site and we decide, let's say a PC's down, okay?
Right. We
go out to their site, we need to have a computer already imaged, ready to go. So when we come into the business and say, hey, my computer's down, we can give them that computer. They can go and keep going. We'll take the old computer away and go back and fix it.
Right.
Just like the server, the same process.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, you use the products that have already been supplied to you, and you refurbish them.
Well, that's how we would keep the business going, pretty much. We'll keep the business. We don't want to have any downtime. So, like I said, if you had a business, something happened, worst case scenario, something happened to the business, you lost your email or whatever. We'll have some kind of, that's a bad example. You lost one of your vital servers that had vital information came down. We'll have something already ready, so you won't see any downtime, any lag in your company.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about software? I mean, I see that you have all types of hardware, but what type of software?
Well, the software we have, like I said, is Windows, Vista, Windows 7, Server 2008. Those will be the different type of software. It's just like we have another client that has QuickBooks. So we just have things kind of already on hand. That's where all that $10,000 come into play.
Okay.
So what if 10,000 is not enough? What would you do?
Well, if 10,000 is not enough, we come back to you guys. You guys got to hold the money. Y'all got the key. So that's what we're here for. We just want to get started, get the ground running, and go from there.
So you're going to ask us for some more money for something that y'all didn't handle in the first place?
No, it's not. We're not handling. But we just, we just need
You're
something.
trying to get the smallest amount for what they need.
Yeah.
The more money.
The more that we don't want to take out extremely expensive loans. We just want something to get us started. Keep our overhead pretty much low, and we want to just be able to go out and make some more money. Right?
Well, I know someone with a very large business. Would you be able to handle that, or would you only handle
Limit
small? You are limit yourself. Would you only do small or medium-sized businesses, or can you handle a large sector?
Well, right now our core customer is small to medium-sized businesses. Who's to say another five years that we do project to have a large business? But right now, since the Obama administration, right now the small business is what's keeping the economy running right now. Of course, major companies are failing, so that's what we use. That's where we come into play. We want to help those mom and pop shops that don't have nobody, that's struggling, need like they 5 computers, and they got just one computer hooked it up, and it is not, nothing is not working. So that's where we come in, organize it, and make it work for them, make some more money. All right. All right. Thank you guys for coming out. Like I said, I guess we'll keep in contact, and then, we definitely, if we get the money, we really appreciate it.
Okay, well, me and the board, we're going to go in the back and we'll talk about it, and we'll be giving you a call soon.
Okay. All right, sir. Appreciate it.
All right, no problem. Thank you for coming out.
Can I make a suggestion?
Okay. Okay, what?
Can I make a suggestion? Okay.
If you are going to do small and medium-sized businesses as your core project, it would not be a bad idea to have one large